Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another no-thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you.
So now, if you are truly looking for a property at the end of a village, this is it. Nestled in the beautiful village of Drinovo, in the Targovishte region, lies a charming Bulgarian house for sale with a wonderful view. Located just 12 kilometers from the town of Popovo, 20 kilometers from Razgrad, 150 kilometers from Varna, and 70 kilometers from Ruse, this property offers a peaceful and serene atmosphere, perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The village of Drinovo is a large one, with several shops, a town hall, a library, a bus stop, a post office, a meat factory, and a poultry farm. Despite its size, the village maintains its traditional charm, with friendly locals and picturesque surroundings. It is situated on a hill, providing breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. The property itself is located at the end of the village, ensuring privacy and tranquility. It is connected to electricity and water, making it convenient for everyday living. The garden spans approximately 1,200 square meters, offering ample space for outdoor activities and gardening. The house, although in need of repair, has 2 floors. The first floor consists of a basement, a kitchen, a room, and an old bathroom. The second floor has a large corridor and 3 rooms, providing plenty of space for a family. The windows are PVC, adding a modern touch to the traditional Bulgarian house. Additionally, there are outbuildings on the property, providing extra storage space. While the property needs renovation, it has the potential to become a wonderful place to call home. With its stunning surroundings and peaceful location, this house offers the perfect opportunity for those looking to live a simpler and more relaxed lifestyle. This property is currently being offered by www.gb.house, a trusted and reputable real estate agency in Bulgaria. They have a team of experienced agents who can assist you in the buying process and answer any questions you may have. With their help, you can turn this charming Bulgarian house into your dream home with a wonderful view. In conclusion, if you are looking for a peaceful and picturesque location to call home, this Bulgarian house for sale in the village of Drinovo is the perfect choice. With its stunning views, spacious garden, and potential for renovation, it is an opportunity not to be missed. Contact www.bg.house today to schedule a viewing and make this dream a reality. You should watch this video all the way through as we have tried to take in every aspect of the property. Could this be the hidden gem you have been searching for? Yes, it needs some work, but as you see, it's no more than a DIY project as no specialized work is required to make it your own.
Чува се.